Hey Google, this is my dog and his name is Moon.
Or, your dog, I bet you take good care of each other. Okay, I'll remember that.
Say hi to Moon.
Hi, Moon. Here's a dog. Here's a cat. By the way, I can tell you about a new animal every day. Do you want to know about today's animal? Welcome to Animal of the Day. Today's animal is the Komodo dragon. Here's what they sound like. This is a Siberian husky. This is a dog. Dog howls, nerving sound of a howling dog by Toddster, Shaw. Playing on Spotify. This is a grey wolf. This is a swallow. This is an elephant.